It's easy to make a call from the Schoolrunner app, and quick to log it as soon as you're done. Start by tapping the communication tile on your home screen, then start typing a student name. Tap on the student to view his or her contact screen, where phone numbers and email addresses are listed. Tap on a number to start a call and then hang up normally once you're done. The app will show you this screen automatically. Fill in as many details as you want and then hit save. You can also edit these details later if you're short on time. Pro tip: use your phone's voice-to-text feature to narrate comments about your call. Here are some other things to know. You can swipe on a contact detail to save a record without actually emailing or making a phone call. Also note that anytime you're looking at a student profile screen, you can tap the floating action button in the bottom right to make a call or log a record. You can view recent communication records for a student by tapping the History tab. Lastly, if you want to hide your number from the people you're calling, swipe from the left side of your screen and visit your app settings. Thanks for watching.